Thinking about opening a car dealership in North Dakota? In this video I'm walking you through every dealer license type, the correct bond amount for your business insurance requirements, what you're legally allowed to sell, title transfer rules, and how to avoid getting your license suspended. If you need help with your surety bond or dealer insurance, all the resources mentioned are linked in our bio. Let's get started. Step 1. Who regulates dealers in North Dakota? All motor vehicle dealers are regulated by the North Dakota Department of Transportation through the Motor Vehicle Division, MVD. They handle dealer licensing, bond requirements, insurance compliance, dealer plates, site inspections. Step 2. Choose the correct license type. North Dakota offers multiple dealer license types, and your license determines what you can legally sell. First, new motor vehicle dealer, $25,000 bond. With a new motor vehicle dealer you can sell new motor vehicles, with franchise, used vehicles, trailers, except travel trailers, motorcycles, UTVs, ATVs, mopeds, snowmobiles, low-speed vehicles. Next is the used motor vehicle dealer, $25,000 bond. With a MVD bond you can sell used vehicles, trailers, except travel trailers, motorcycles, UTVs, ATVs, snowmobiles, low-speed vehicles. Third, a motor-powered recreational dealer, $25,000 bond. With this bond you can sell UTVs, ATVs, dirt bikes, mopeds, snowmobiles, motorcycles, low-speed vehicles. Fourth is the trailer dealer, $10,000 bond. With a trailer dealer you can sell all trailers except travel trailers, low-speed vehicles. Fifth, a motorhome, mobile home, travel trailer dealer, $10,000 bond. With this bond, you can sell motorhomes, mobile homes, manufactured homes, travel trailers, horse trailers with living quarters, low-speed vehicles. Last, a low-speed vehicle dealer, $10,000 bond. With a low-speed vehicle dealer bond you can sell low-speed vehicles only. Start your application today at All American Bonds and Insurance, the trusted industry expert. All links and resources mentioned in this video are in our bio. Step 3. Understanding the North Dakota dealer bond. The oblige, North Dakota Department of Transportation. The bond protects the public, not you. If you violate state dealer laws, a claim can be filed. The surety pays the claim. You reimburse the surety. If your bond is canceled, your license is suspended. You must notify the MVD immediately. You risk losing dealer plates. The bond must remain active and continuous. How much does the bond cost? You don't pay $25,000 or $10,000 up front. You pay a small percentage, 650 plus credit, 0.75%, 2%, 600, sir 649 credit, 2.5%, sir 4%. Your credit, industry experience, and licensing history all affect pricing. Need a bond? At All American Bonds and Insurance, the trusted industry expert, you can get a quote now at quickerbonds.com. All links and resources mentioned in this video are in our bio. Step 4. Dealer insurance requirements. To maintain your license, you must carry continuous liability insurance. Required coverage includes general liability, business auto liability, garage liability, if you sell, repair, or service vehicles. Important, proof must be submitted annually. If insurance lapses, your license and plates are automatically revoked. Failure to return plates after cancellation can lead to penalties. If you're unsure what policy you need, get guidance before submitting. Step 5. Dealer site inspection. Before your license is issued, the MVD conducts a site inspection. Expect a 4 to 6 week processing period. Do not assume you're approved until inspection is complete. Step 6. Out-of-state titles and MCO transfers. If you're titling vehicles in North Dakota using out-of-state titles or manufacturer's certificates of origin, MCO, you'll need signed out-of-state title, or MCO, dealer bill of sale. Odometer disclosure, 2011 or newer vehicles. Damage disclosure form, SFN 18609, if vehicle is under 9 years old. Application for title, SFN 2872. Identification requirements, individuals, driver's license copy. Non-residents, military, out-of-state ID copy. Businesses, legal entity documentation. Missing documents will delay title processing. Step 7. Renewal and compliance. When renewing your dealer license, renew your bond. Maintain active insurance. Submit updated documentation if needed. Improving your credit over time can lower your bond premium. Stay proactive. Bonus. Simplify the process. We help North Dakota dealers Get the correct bond amount. Secure compliant garage liability insurance. Understand license type requirements. Stay MVD compliant year-round. Whether you're starting your first dealership or expanding, we can bundle everything into one simple process. Call 844-321-2663 or start your application today at All American Bonds and Insurance, the trusted industry expert. All links and resources mentioned in this video are in our bio. Opening a dealership in North Dakota is very doable, but only if you choose the correct license, bond amount, and insurance coverage. Follow the steps in this video and you'll avoid the biggest mistakes that delay approval. Get started with an online quote at quickerbonds.com. Like this video and subscribe for more auto dealer tips.